Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve any problem that you have on Messenger. To know how to fix or how to solve your problems that you have on Messenger app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will search about Messenger app and you click. Then this list of app and for you, we click on first stop. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.